Hello friends, welcome to the another new video from Curious Abhi. In this video, we are going to write a program how to add two matrices. For adding two matrices, we have to print both the matrices. So in this program, we have already printed both matrices in this way. First matrix here, see here, first matrix in this way, and second matrix in this way. I think you already knowing how to print two matrices. And after printing this both matrix, now we have to add these matrix. So for adding this matrix, we have to put the logic. So for adding, first we write here printf addition of both matrix. Use here /n. So in this next line, new event. Now we use for loop. I less than I plus plus for row and for column j equal to 0, j is less than c, j plus plus. Now here we have to assign to the compiler sum of row and column, means I, and for column j is equal to 0. So we have to declare sum in int variable, int sum, and give here row highest 20 size and column size highest 20, and again here, and now put the logic of adding both matrix. So for adding both matrix, use here row plus row and column plus column. So we use here I, j is equal to first matrix row here I, first matrix column j plus second matrix row and column. So we are added both the matrix. Now we have to print this. So for printing, we again use for loop. I is equal to 0, I less than I plus plus. Give here, again we use for loop for column. J is equal to 0, j is less than c, j plus plus. Sorry, a mistake. J plus plus, and here print some results. Use here %d, and we have to print sum I and j. So we write here sum of I and j, and now we have to print in the new line. So we have to use printf /n. So now we use here /t. We put row 2 and column 3. So we enter now elements of first matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and for second matrix we again enter the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and finally the result display here.